Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, well, yeah, girls want girls where, hey, well, yeah. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, girls want girls where, hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans that might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking tryna block me on a fadeaway. I been on that shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey, and you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, well, girls want girls where, oh, yeah. Girls want girls where I'm from. Oh, yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's the up on them curls? Then them gym don't work, get surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can't imagine no bitch curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business. And I got two pretty bitches. Keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me. So they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers. It look better with more people. We got 1942 Casamigos. It's getting heated. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car filled up with shooters. It be lights, camera, action. When you with us, it's a movie. I don't try my coupe to house parties. I'm tryna leave with two shh, yeah. Don't nobody know the shit that we do. She like eating pussy, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work to go and see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Y'all been on my mind too much, like what the fuck is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way a girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Just run around the town with me, then come lay down
I
with
don't know, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know.
I don't know.
I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, well, yeah, girls want girls where, yeah, well, yeah. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, girls want
some water.
girls.
Hold on. Let me grab water real quick.
Well, girls want girls where I'm from. But I know you wanna roll with the gang. And I know you want the finest of things. Asking me about settling down. Cause you know that things are going my way. Okay. Counting up my body, damn the things just start to pile. Judge me how you judge me, take them bitches out the trial. Fuck them niggas, how them niggas love you now? You don't know love, you don't love me like my child. Lay your ass down, and that liquor get you fired up. Turn up every day, girl, it don't say that in the Bible. Can't give it up, cause you love the lifestyle. Told the girls to meet at town. Now y'all doing shots, now them bitches got you fired up. Don't know who you talking about, I'll put that on the Bible. Turning up on me, don't make me turn it back around. And you know
I'm back. I'm
Tiger Woods, the way I'm teed off the 17. And you know, pockets on whatever jeans, forever green.
I'm
and
back.
You know, told me a lot of things, but ain't say everything. But now I know every single thing. There was plenty things I didn't know. Plenty things you didn't say. Was fucking with you anyway. Was fucking with you way before you had some confessions to make. You decide to take it to the grave, I know you gon' take it. Ain't no.
Don, you hear that storm last night?
Okay. Counting on my body, damn the things just start to pile. Judge me how you judge me, take them bitches out of trial.
We're still in intro. We can't talk
how
that.
them niggas love you now. You don't know love, you don't love me like my child. Lay your ass down and that liquor get you fired up. Turn up every day, girl, it don't say that in the Bible. Can't give it up, cause you love the lifestyle.
Okay, trenches, bitch, I got her a salon. Gucci and Poochie is deep in the budget, she hit on the Virgin for Louis Vuitton. It's not in the Bible, the white phone. I'm Muslim, I go by Quran. The way I be smelling and holding my gun, she think I be mimicking Vaughn. She only play me in the whip.
Yo, Lil Durk snapping the song. Holy shit, I still can't go over his verse. What up? My bad. Had to get some water. Tub every day. Good morning, chat. What up, chat? How you been? Yo, we have music day today, right? I think we have music day. We have one more credit. Wait, hold on. How's it work? 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, we have like 3 more days left. So we have today and tomorrow for music day. I guess we have till Thursday for music day. So we can play some music, I guess, today. Leave this stuff running. I can play Drake. Wait, isn't that video still up yesterday? What do you call it? My stream video? Yes, this video. Let's see. Yeah, it's still up. Yeah, so we goody. We can play music. We can play the same Drake album. That's all we can play. I don't know why. We can't. I mean, let's see. Yeah, look at this. The whole album is in the copyright, bruh. It's probably a lot more too, but thoughts on the show. That's pretty insane. Is the cap on? Nah, man. No hat today. Okay. What do you have today, chat? Today, yo, you have interest rates for Canadian dollar at 10 a.m., which is pretty interesting. All right, that's pretty interesting. You have that at 10 a.m. and then I believe that's it. Hold on, let me just move this over here. I believe that's it. We won't have much for news today. Aside from that, you have US dollar, Jolt's job openings. Hey, whose mic is that?
Sorry, Don.
Sorry, it's all right. I was wondering, like, wait, what? Okay, so you have that. His solo school markup or GJ and gold real quick. So starting with GJ, I think I gave an analysis last night, right? I think GJ was bullish for the weekly. Dilly was bullish as well, as long as it respects the lows, which it didn't. It broke the lows today, which is interesting. You could now argue with the fact that maybe this candle was a doji. So going off of the previous candle, which is this candle, price never broke the highs. Technically, price should continue down. Looking a bit chalk, not the cleanest, obviously, as you know, I really wanted us to close like above this range yesterday, like this. You had a resistance here. I wanted a bullish channel closure above for us to really continue up, but I don't think we're gonna get that. Especially with the way that we closed today. So what am I looking for today? Day breaking at lows, probably gonna be bearish today. So I want to see if we can get sells in, but if we get sells in, I think you have a support formed right here on GJ, support at 151, 550. So a closure below there would take us down towards the next support, which is gonna be somewhere around here. All right, I'm not sure how big this range is. I think it's a small range. Yeah, it's a 12 pip range. However, what I was gonna say was if we can get the onion play, right, this resistance here, I know it's a small range, but it's not bad. If you get an underplay right here, like a price was below the range like this, I'll take a sell coming down to retest lows, because then you expect price to continue down to retest 151, 544. But obviously you need a closure below 544 for us to really continue down, right? But this range here, let me check how big it is real quick. If it's too small, I might just stay out the whole entire range. It's 7 pip range. Wow. Yeah, it's tough. You know what? I'm gonna actually Let me actually just adjust these. Yeah, it's a small range. Worst case, because we always have a bias as bearish today with the fact that they broke the lows, but it just comes down to how big are your ranges and what do you have left over to the left there, right? Obviously, after the S's move during London session, look at that clean London session of resistance. Price came down, so this whole entire range coming down. Now you have this piece left down here. It's a very small range, so I'm not sure what I'll be looking for, but I believe right now I'm looking for sells below 151,548. I want the onion play, but let's see. Unless we actually like create a resistance up here and then close bearish resistance, like a fake out like this going up first. Like this is the only way we can pick sells, because then this is a bigger range, right? Then price comes back into range like this. Then if this were to happen, we can then take sells coming down, because then this would be a fake out as price broke above the range, in the range one breakout, and then price will come down to retest and fill 151,548. But that's like the only possibility, possible way for me to get the onion play here. Other than that, we're gonna have to wait for 151.4 or 548 to break here. Wires. Okay, cool. So gold here, I think gold for the weekly is bearish. We broke the weekly lows, which is interesting. The daily time frame closed bearish as well. So we actually came down tap target yesterday. Not only did we tap target, but we actually tapped target, which is right here, and then continuing down towards next support as well. So 1790 got tapped. With that being said, I'm looking for sells today. As long as we respect the previous day candle highs, we should be able to drive down towards the next support. The issue here again on the day time frame gold here is that there's a support right here. There's literally a support right here. It's such a small range going down, and below there you have like a support right here at 1780. So it's looking pretty chalked on the day time frame. However, with us still being, bearish, like I'm still looking for sells coming down today. So this is gonna be interesting. I think I'm looking for sells though if we were to come down and break below 1793. 1793. I don't think it's gonna be a dead day today. I think it's gonna be a late move today, just because there's some decent volume right now. But 1793, if you break below there, then you have a high chance we could continue down towards the next support, maybe below here actually, 1791, just because there's a support right here as well. Yeah, because if you look at this, like the 30-minute time frame has never closed below before, and when we meant never is like looking to the most recent left, which is these areas right here, this area, all these wicks here have all came down and failed to close below. Same thing with this, these wicks here came all the way down, failed to close below. So I believe sells below there would be a lot cleaner. 1791.073. Where are we at right now? 1797. Okay, we have like 6 pips to go. Maybe we could anticipate something at the top of the range for the onion play, but right now I really expected us to really break out of here during London or something, but unfortunately price didn't even come close to breaking below that support. Yeah, but there's a resistance here. I guess this is a range we're in right now, so let's see what happens. If you get a fake out again, that's a possible entry for onion play. If you get like a fake out, price comes up, breaks the highs, closes above the range, I would not take the buys because it's a range one breakout. I would wait for his price to come back into the range like this, take my sells coming down to fill the range. All right, then the price will come down to fill 1791. That'll be clean. But again, let's see what happens. It's either that or we just wait for a closure simply below 1791. Simply like this, right? And then we're gonna execute ourselves coming down. This is gonna be I want to say more of a tough day because there's no setups that I see right now until we actually get those fake outs, or if it actually happens, right? So it's gonna be a hit or miss today if we're actually in a position or not. All this time thinking who is Chad? Chat. It's Chat. It's not Chad. Who the fuck is Chad? It's Chat. Cap today. That would be the 4-hour flip too. Which one is the 4-hour flipping on this candle on the GJ? Yeah, it would be. But I mean, if we can get a fake on a 1-hour time frame or a 30-minute time frame, then we can just anticipate the 4-hour kind of flipping as we're starting to reject there. Same with gold too. I mean, gold look. I mean, man, below 1791 is very clean, because then you have clean traffic until 1784. So it's a 70 pip range going down below 1791. I think it's worth the wait. I believe it's worth the wait. If this wasn't here, like if this level wasn't here at this heavy support here, I would maybe just like honestly draw my support right here. I'll draw it right here, right off of the most recent support. I mean, even if you drop below here, you still have a nice range going down. It's gonna be around a 24 pip range going down still, even if we were close below 1794. So we may get some earlier buys. Let's see. It's just that the reason why I have my line drawn here is just because like below there is where you have like the cleanest traffic. However, like nothing's wrong with sellers below here at all. It's the same levels. Are you half Filipino? No, man, I'm not. I'm fully Viet. We're a Chad now. The chat is called Chad. Yo, I woke up feeling like hungry. Because I fell asleep late. Trust the stream, LOL. I gotcha. Damn. Trade's taken. My bad. My bad. I gotta take that out. Trade's taken. Done. Okay. Holy shit. It's a lot of charts. GG are breaking themselves. 1 30-minute candle closed below bearish back into the range to enter on the flip of the next candle. So you got a bearish candle closure and then you enter on the flip of the next candle after a wick being created. Perfect execution. 3 move stops to break even as a candle. Whoa, my screen just lagged. Move stops to break even as the entry candle. 30-minute 1-hour close with no bottom wick. Oh, nice. Good management. Should close full here as planned. Got something for break even. Hey, at least you understood this though, because then price just rejected up. Right, you would be in drawdown. So yeah, good management, good execution. This is a good trade. How many pips you get though in that trade? 7 pips. Yeah, so close to the 10 pips. Damn. Pierre, you want to come out here? Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here? Weekly bearish, broke the lows of the previous weekly daily, slightly bullish, could flip at any second. Overall bearish. Only if we break out this zone, I will start looking to look for buys. Dirty range, potential sells below, clean range for sells. Also the flip of the day below here. Is it actually the flip on a daily? Yes, it would be. Perfect. Oh, the day has no bottom wick. Easy. Take a sell right now, chat. I'm just playing. Day has no bottom wick. So with us starting to reject this resistance here, or starting to reject there, you can anticipate this day count starting to flip now, right? So have that in the back of your mind. All you gotta do is wait for small signs on the small time frame. So the 1-hour time frame, the 30, whatever sign it gives you. For me, the sign for me is either a fake out or we just simply break below 1791, because I want to stay out of this range. However, I want to take sells below here. That's cool. Chart makes sense. Love it. I just be careful with the buys though, because it might be a fake out. Other than that, the sells do look clean. Waiting for resistance to form to test the lows that we have created for our candle bearish flip. Expecting this candle to close strong bearish to take entry on next candle. TP1 being the low, 151.450, and rest for runners. 151.450. Where's that? Damage TP1. That's down here. Nice. Yeah. Waiting for resistance to form. Yeah, basically just waiting for the onion play, right? That's what you're waiting for. Price was bearish at resistance, looking for sells coming down to retest the lows. And as price retests the lows, you're expecting price to continue down for the rest of the range as well, which is coming down towards 1744. Same analysis I have. The onion play is what we want here. Yes. Ooh. Potential buy above. What is this? DJ? Okay. Range 2 breakout, I guess. Yeah, makes sense. Range 1 at the range 2. Makes sense. Makes sense. Respect the zone, possible buying, potential sells below here. Yeah, the only thing that's selling below here is that I'll be a bit worried of this support here. I prefer to take sells below here. However, this is a 1 hour time frame, so actually, yeah, even mine. I think I have mine below here. Yeah, for 151, 548. Just because like even if you take sells below here, it's like a 6-pip range going down. However, below here is a lot cleaner. You don't have to be worried about anything. You don't have to worry about support because this is literally clean traffic below here in that range. But yeah, not bad. Here with the second chart. I think I read this already. Did I? Buys if you break above this range here. Potential sells below price target 1. Nice. I'll be careful again having your chart stay in buys above here, sells below here, because you want to have one bias for a day. Taking the 2 biases will likely give you or put yourself in a situation where you're highly prone to fake outs because the whole range 1, range 2 thing. But if you're not worried about it, then by all means go ahead and take your buys above here, sells below here. Just be careful when doing so. Just warn you. Enjoying the effects of the chart here. This website. Oh, okay. Number 1, looking for a price to create a resistance here. Then I'll take sells to retest the lows. 22 pip range. Oh, we have a 1 hour candle closure here. Let me check real quick. Bullish candle closure there. And then on GJ, you have a 1 hour closure bullish as well. Okay. So basically no positions. Cool. Well, looking for a price to create resistance here. Then I'll take sells to retest the lows. 22 pip range going down for the onion play on a 30-minute time frame. Yeah. Everyone wants the onion play today. I want it too. Right here at this resistance. That'd be perfect. You're down. Can I borrow some power? Damn, my power is out. Damn. My power is still up. I mean, I heard thunderstorm last night. It was pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Real quick though, let me finish off the charts. Oh, last chart. Oh, nice. What time frame is this? This is 6:12. 12. This is a 30-minute candle. Oh, 30-minute time frame. Well, I counted candles and I could have just looked at this. I didn't see this. Fake out, close back inside the range. 30-minute starter play and test price to continue up. Nice. What is this? What pair is this? This is USDGPY. Oof. I want to see how that played out. USDGPY, hey? 30. Yeah, 30 came up, broke above. Price closed below the resistance, however, still closed bullish. Yeah. I'll be quite a bit worried about this resistance here. But not sure how you're managing this, right? Alright, cool. We updated on charts. W. Close this out. Okay, cool. What am I reading from chat? What is more important, current price action on gold or old price action? Because you draw support based off old price action on gold. You're using data that you have received from the markets that happened moments ago, like, you know, from the first day or whatever, to determine what price will do next. I mean, that's what trading is, right? Any strategy is like that. So you kind of gotta use old data to pick up new data, I guess. New data. Yo, Don, how soon do you think crypto and a Forex are? I'm going for a job soon that's asking for a 2-week crypto trial. Gonna try and use what I've learned from the stream. What the hell? Really? I think it's the same shit, man. We predicted they're on 4K like 2 months ago, and what? How did I predict that? Well, basically, what happened was there's a weekly side replay. Simple as that. I think honestly, I believe it's all the same when it comes to the charts. It's all the same. It's literally all the same, like price action wise. Candles are candles for me. I read the markets the same way I do on crypto. Like, why did price reject here? A bank order? There was just a resistance here. Price never closed above before, right? So you need a closure above now for price to really continue up. I think what's going to happen here is this weekly is going to close bearish here in 4 days, close bearish, and then we're just going to range in this area for a bit. So support here, resistance there. We're going to range for a bit. You need a breakout, a closure above for us to actually continue up. Once you get that closure above, you'll see it continue to fly up, right? But we've been calling buys since, like, where is it? Over here? August, September, July, like over here, you know, like once you close above this range, it's like, oh yeah, it's GG, it's looking left, this is clean traffic until we tap 4K. This is broken down on stream plus TikTok. And yeah, shit just happened to, you know, fly up. I think it's not the same though. That's if you're like intraday trading yet, you know. For me, crypto, I just kind of hold, and I don't really care what happens, you know. Like, I have some Ethereum right now. I don't care what happened yesterday, that, you know, it dropped, whatever. Like, it's irrelevant to what the plan is in 10 years, right? Just imagine, who knows, 10 years, you know, Bitcoin might be at, you know, 500K, who knows? Are you really gonna look back and be like, wow, on September 7th we dropped from what was it? On September 7th, price went from 53K to 46K. Relevant when it's at 500K, right? But I'll get why, if we're intraday trading it, they were freaking out yesterday. I am late. Yes, you are. Yeah, same stuff in every pair, I believe. And if you guys think it's different, then you guys think it's different. You know, I agree with you too. But I don't think it's different. I think it's the same thing. Yeah, like, I don't know. Who here trades crypto using the same strategy? In the chat. Hey man, I think like talking crypto is like talking politics to the chat. Is always a rule to break even at around 5-7 pips, or do you always look at the 5-minute candle to see? I don't look at the 5-minute candle to really see if we're gonna structure. I usually look at the time frame I'm basing the trade off of, so the 30-minute time frame or like the 15, etc. Whatever time frame I actually entered on. So I look at that for that time frame. Close. If it closes above, you know, let's say I take a sell and it closes above the range, I look to close half my positions or close full. And when in profit wise, like usually around like 7, 8, 9, 10 pips, I move my stops to break even, making it risk free. And yeah. Why is nobody looking for buys above 830? 830 right here. Sure. Oh, right here. The 1 hour close below the range here for me. This 1 hour can still flip bearish here to continue down. I'm bearish today with the fact that price closed, or price broke the lows. The daily lows. I'm bullish for the week, bearish for a day. That makes sense. A weekly time frame, I'm expecting price to tap 152.987. I just don't know if we'll get that today, just because like we kind of broke the daily lows today, which is interesting. But I'm gonna expect this to be a fake out here. So if price does come back into the range, if it does, right? Only if it does. Now I'm not saying it is, but if it does close back into the range like this, I'll then take my sells. This is my setup. This buy here isn't part of my setup. It isn't a setup that I would usually take. However, this sell here, something that I'm willing to wait for, because it's something that I've been taking the whole entire year, right? So that's why I'm not taking buys above that range. Doesn't mean it's not clean. Doesn't mean you can't take it. You can still take whatever you want to take. At the end of the day, it's, you know, don't feel discouraged. We are trade definitely. Waiting for a sell here. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. Like your energy. Appreciate it, mate. Damn, we got 307 people here. What up, chat? How you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys had a great day today. It was a W day yesterday, man. W day yesterday. If you guys were here yesterday, yes, we ate up GJ yesterday for 10 pips. Damn, what's up? Yo, this is me yesterday. Fuck, I need to create an AFK channel because I can't have people staying in these voice channels here without talking. Yeah, I need an AFK channel. I'm gonna make one. What was I gonna do? Yo, the meme section. I saw this meme yesterday, chat. It was in the Kanye Discord, like the actual Kanye West Discord. So it was real. Good morning, let's work. You're fired, go home. I'm sorry, blah blah blah. Stop texting. Go find God. Come back after you found God. This is Kanye West. That's crazy. Honestly, like, what's the point of a letter that says, "Sorry, you've been what's it called? How do you call it when you get fired? You've been what's that word? Let's see. You've been, what's that word? Chat, I need help. What's that word? Terminated. Yes, they say terminated. Yeah, what's the point of saying terminated when you just say you're you're fired? Stop texting, go find God. Come back after you found God. At least it said come back after you found God, right? Okay, here we go again. Are we fucking with Donda or CLB? Man, you guys can fuck with whatever you want to fuck with. I'm only playing CLB right now just because it's what the right now world, I guess, like what people can what people prefer, right, on stream, and also because it doesn't get me blocked. Donda gets me blocked some songs, unfortunately. I like both albums. I like one better than the other though. I like Donda more. There's a OB on the, okay. Interesting. Like more don't lie down. Nah, I listen to Donda way more than CLB. There's no way. I think, like, honestly, actually I'm not gonna get into this, but I definitely don't like CLB more than Donda. I promise you that. Promise you that, brother. Don, can you check the charts for stream real quick? Fuck, I opened Telegram by accident. I haven't opened this app in so long. Close. Okay. Charts for stream. I got you. I got you. Ben. Okay. Got some nice levels here. I like you have 4 lines on the screen. I say it's a bit crazy. The reason why I'm saying it's a bit crazy is just because there's so many things looking at, like, so many things that are relevant here. It's irrelevant. It's just irrelevant. Like, what's the point of having this line here, right? I think make it cleaner. Look at the only major, like, not major levels, but the levels where you focus on, where you're locked into right now. So this one right here, relevant, right? Because you have this right here to the right. So I say this. Block this out. Focus on this. What do you see here? What do you see here, right? You have support here. You have resistance here. You can then draw a line here. Resistance for here. Support here. After finding your daily bias, whatever bias you have, look for positions going with that bias. So if you're looking for sells, then that potential setup for you would be an onion play at this resistance coming down to retest the lows, right? Or if you're looking for buys, then your buys would be above a closure above here, above this range going up, because then price will fill this range. And then you look for buys going out to fill this range, and then maybe runners towards the next resistance, wherever the next resistance is, right? But you don't have to have, like, marked up that data from like 1945 because it's irrelevant to the current price. right? Just the more simple, I guess, the more clean. The more will make sense. Waiting for a reversal sell here. I mean, that makes sense. I mean, hey, whatever you gotta do, right? R2, don't know what that means, man. However, oh, range 2, cool. R2, yes. What's that? 1801. Range 1, range 2. Is it a range 2? What time frame is this? This is the 30-minute time frame, right? Range 1, range 2. I'm confused here. Why does your chart look like that? Oh, right here you had resistance, support, resistance. Off of how I judge this range here, I judge it off of one range. So I have this like as one range. Bias for me would be above, like, bias for me, chat, would only be if price were to break above the range, continue up, and then maybe create a support. Like if price creates a support here, coming down to retest this low here, or this range, then yes, I'll look for bias, because then this would be a range 2 breakout, right? This is a range 1 here, and then this is a range 2. So range 1, range 2, bias would be above here for me. But until then, I'm expecting this to be a fake out. All here is you playing CLB, son. Not son. My son. I am playing CLB because Donna gets blocked, unfortunately. Wish you're late, by the way, so you didn't hear that part. Joe, it's a price action chart, but too much going on. McLaren boys. Yeah, I mean the chart's not bad. Like it's a good idea. It's just that there's levels that it's just there's no need to have levels here, right? Yeah, that's all. It's a good chart though. So I labeled my range 1, my range 2 wrong. No, you labeled it right to your extent. Like you can label it however you want to label it. It's just that I'll prefer this one range. I'll prefer labels as one range. On the way I see it, like everyone sees it differently. So that's why like you can't really like I can't really say you're right or you're wrong, right? Because who knows if I'm right or I'm wrong. I'm just going off of literally what my own judgment, right? So like for me, this would just be one range for me. This is one big range. Resistance here, support here. There's no range 2 breakout here for me yet. So I mean, you can label it as however you want to label it. You can go ahead and test around. Maybe this is a range 2. Who knows, right? Take buys above if that's what you believe it is. But for me, I'm just gonna wait for another range 2 before and after we break out here. Yes, the stream is blocked. Really? How come it shows right here? Oh, because I'm on the page. Hold on, what song got blocked? I guarantee it was Kanye. It wasn't Donda. I mean, it was CLB. Or sorry, no, it was Donda. It wasn't CLB. Hold on, let me check. What? Why did I get blocked? That's so weird. That's my channel. Manage videos. Says she first streams. Okay. It did get blocked. What song though? Wow. Kanye West. Of course. Look at this. See? Look. I'm not capping. Literally Drake songs are good. The album still be as good. This Kanye West song. But if I mute the song, this is what I do, chat. If you mute the song, it takes like maybe, you know, YouTube is pretty slow, so maybe like 5 days. I want to say, nah, like 6 hours to mute one part of the stream. It'll be up later, but that's funny. Yeah, that's tough. I didn't know. I thought it was good because I saw it on my page, the channel. Price was above the range here by the way on the 15. Has no top wick. Be careful. But you have like 4 minutes left for this 1 hour closer. Want the fade? No friends in the industry. Hey. Friends in the industry. Would you consider buys above 151,800? No. However, if you break above 155, I don't know. It's kind of like the reason why like it's hard to get buys in here. It's just because like I didn't want buys here. I did not want buys here at all. Not because like I'm completely bearish for a day like I am, but I wanted a range 2 breakout for me to really switch my bias. That's just the plan, right? So if we come down and create support, maybe if you break above this range again like this, like let's say we come down now like so to support, right? And then at support you close bullish, at support you have a high chance for price to drive back up to retest the highs, then yes, I may look for bias going up. But until then, there's no positions where. Because look, if you just continue up from here, it's like, what ranges do you have left over now? Now you have this right here, I guess. There's a resistance here. This is support. Is a resistance here as well, right? So it's a very tough range to trade. That's why I'm saying, unless you actually retrace down here to 151,746 to create a support, to create a range 2, there's no bias for me, because then the next bias will be above 152,300. Right? They broke the lows, so this is gonna be interesting. This isn't the cleanest range as well. It's a big range. It's a 4-pip range, but it's not clean, right? You have a bunch of mess here in this range. Yeah, the range is super ugly, bro. Double bomb is indicating that price is going up. Got my 10 pips. Congrats, man. Congrats, brother. Fuck, man. I can't even play Lil Tecca. I think Lil Tecca got blocked, Tyler. Tell me how. Tell me why. Tell me how and tell me why. If you look left, you can see that on September 1st, it also rejected the same area. Would you take that in consideration? Again, it's relevant to the dates. I believe there's just, if there's a resistance, right? Like for example, wait, what pair are you talking about? You're talking about gold or GJ? I mean, look, we rejected on September 7th at 8 p.m. I think it's simple to just look at it as a resistance, right? Don't worry about the dates. Like, this is a resistance here. That was being created, and price never closed above it before. December 1st is like what? Right here? This range right here? Or this range? What are you talking about? This range? Right here? I mean, yeah, I guess it's like a resistance going across here. But I mean, looking left, like I'm not really too worried about it, since like looking in this area right here, you have technically clean traffic until this resistance up here. I mean, I'm not looking for buys anytime soon here, until you actually get a range 2 breakout anyways. So like I'm not really worried about what happened over here. It's kind of relevant to me right now. All the people here in the chat are about getting a trade. Y'all have to learn how to trade. Yeah. I mean, that is true. Because you know what happens? You know how I know, you guys chat? because after we take a trade, you guys leave. And we go from like, you know, for example, like 500 viewers. Let's say we're in a trade. You guys are shitting your pants. Yo, Don, help, please. Like, please. I pray for your trade to go through, Don. Please. All right, Don. Got 10 pips. Thanks. You guys leave. Yes, bag when we're in a drawdown for the trade to reverse, and once it does reverse and it goes in our favor, you guys just leave. How rude. Nah, but even like our losing trades too, like, actually no, it's weird because our losing trades we lose a lot less. If we were to lose a trade, we lose a lot less viewers. However, if we win, we lose like half of it. I guess it's because like if you lose, people want more. People are like, yo, I can't. This guy gave me an L today. I gotta stay for another W. But when we take a W, it's like, oh, I'm calling it a day. You know, fuck off, Don. No manners, for real. Golden bond working on daily. I know, man. Yeah, that's perfect. What up, Franco? She's always fire, love the energy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo. Got a burp. It's not coming out. I'm still trying to learn how to find a have a formula to use on a consistent basis and line us for ideas. It comes down to finding your own strategy. Or formula, right? Your own sample size. And like, I think it's better for you to go through it, those wins and losses. Like, don't expect to just come in a game and find a perfect strategy off the rip. You're gonna try some shit out. Some stuff's gonna work, some stuff's not gonna work. At the end of the day, keep trying until you find something that's very consistent for you, that you can stick to every day without changing your strategy based off of what other people are doing, right? So whatever it is for you, you know, whether it's a starter play, whether it's an onion play, whether it's you know, closure above the range, below the range, like whatever strategy you have, just test it out. Put some hours in to take the trades. Go on you know, a simulator, test with the same setups. Damn, I was thinking he shot out Trudeau. That's crazy. I wish I had split screen so I can trade and watch streams at the same time. You can't put your browser on like half, like minimize the window. You can do that, right? Oh my god, I love you too, bro. I'm new here. What are these plays you talk about? These plays that I talk about. There's a Comanche you can probably refer to. Yo, coach, check out my chart. Sorry I'm late, got traffic. No worries, man, I got you. What do you have here? XUSD 1 hour chart. W and D is bearish, so weekly and daily is bearish on, what is this, gold, right? Gold, true. Daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, correct? They candle create a top wick representing previous daily candle high. 1 hour 30-minute candle closure below 1769 or 1796. for a 50 pip range going down TP 1791. Anticipating NY or NYC volume open up to push bearish. True. So if you had close below there, you're looking for sells. That's not a bad idea at all. Yeah, I'm definitely on your side today. I'm definitely bearish on gold. I want sells. I want that daily candle to flip. I'm anticipating that daily candle to flip. I just need some type of confirmation. But yeah, this isn't bad. Yeah, there's a support right here that's being formed right around here. You said how you need a closure below and tick sells coming down. That's not a bad idea at all. That's not a bad idea at all. Pick your destination. 1716. Did I check the chart yet? Sorry, replay. Seller replay. Oh shit, my bad, chat. I was on the wrong browser. I was on the wrong browser. This is the chart that I was reading. Cool. Sorry, replay. Cool. Yeah, this is very valid. You have a start play, plus you got a closure above the range as well, right? You close above this most recent resistance here. This 30-minute candle should continue up as long as it respects the previous candle low towards your target. Perfect. Which one do you have? Asus 24-inch, 165 hertz. Oh, sorry, 165 yeah, hertz. I was almost at 2-3 weeks ago. Hey man, whatever boosted their confidence. Congrats, man. Truly congrats. What am I gonna do with that though? What am I gonna do with that, you know? I caught a couple positions for the last 2-3 weeks. I'm happy with, right? And you caught your bearish flag that happened 2-3 weeks ago. So that'll be in the chat for both of us, eh? I don't know what else you want me to say. How does one obtain that level of confidence? What do you mean? What level of confidence in trading? Just putting a lot of time in to the charts, getting comfortable in certain areas, by able to accept the fact that, you know, not all trades are winning trades and they will be losing trades. However, you still want to take the same trades at the end of the day because you took good high probability winning trades. So long term, you're likely to succeed if you were to continue to take the same trades. That's what helps with my confidence. Like before I take a trade, chat, I'm already thinking of like what the outcome is about where I lose or be in drawdown. How would I manage the trade compared to if I were to win? How I manage that trade? Like I'm already accepting the fact that either can happen. I'm not like, yo, price will tap my TP. Like I'm gonna go 100 lots in this trade because price will tap my TP. Because you know it can go both ways. That's called emotional trading. Bro, I buy gold yesterday and I lost 80 pips. Damn. Why'd you buy gold yesterday? We're bearish the whole entire day. Let me guess. Done. There was a daily support right here that price rejected. In August, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches to the bottom. This is also a fib from here to here. Gives you a 61.8 fib or 38.2, and then you're expecting this to occur. Let me guess. I mean, price bearish yesterday. We broke it down to a T. We broke it down from this area right here, from 1824. We said how we're gonna tap 1808 at the end of the day during the 18 session. Just pretty bearish. Order block. No, how's one obtain the confidence to say, oh, okay. These are great tips. Yeah, I was wondering, like, I'm like, Alexander Bello, you know this by now. Yeah, exactly. Stop thinking you know it all. Exactly. Like, man, like, you know, you don't know what's gonna happen. However, you have an idea of what's gonna happen, of a high probability of what's gonna happen, right? But you don't know exactly what's gonna happen. So that's why you can't just, yo, done. So, like, one time I got analysis like looking like this. It was like, yo, done. So, this is my gold chart. What I think will happen is price comes down, creates support, and it starts to do one of these. And then this gives you this. But then sometimes price will come down, give it the bearish flag, and then continue down. Like, what? It's just too much going on. It's like emotions. For real, man. Hey, chat. Price down to, well, not really, but if you break the 15-minute lows, then you have a higher chance, I guess, of coming back into the range. If you break 151.822, then you have a higher chance of coming back into the range here. So this is interesting. What's the difference between a starter play and a starter play? You tell me, man. What's the difference? It's the same thing. It's not a starter play is not a thing. A celery play, starter play, two different things. One doesn't exist. A starter play doesn't exist. The same thing. Come on. If it gets to 1800, then I hit sell as it rejected a few times from that level in the past. Same thing if it acts as support. Yeah. Starter replay. You always call it starter replay. Yeah, my back is. Man. What is this? What is this? Is this valid if it happens? Price made a high. Candle close bullish, but make support above previous support. 3. Execute buys when price break the previous 1 hour candle high to retest the highs. 4. Stop couple pip below previous 1 hour. What pair is this? GA, 3-minute time frame. I believe we're bullish too, right? I'm not sure how GA looks, but I believe it's bullish on a daily time frame. It looks bullish, or doji bullish. And then I guess, yeah. I think what's better here though is if you had a nice closure support, like a nice strong closure like this, and that'll be perfect for us to drive up. Above that range to the left is like a resistance right around here, so above there would be perfect for GA. Or maybe a 1 hour starter play, because this is a 1 hour starter play here too, I think. Ooh, 15-minute candle now broke the lows. Interesting. So we have a chance here that price may continue down near the support, which will then give us a potential opportunity to see if price may close back into the range or not. As the 1 hour time frame, again, look at it. It's still never close above. We have 22 minutes left. This candle still flip bearish to continue back down, right? So it's why it's very important to understand different key time frames. Daily is bearish. 4 hours starting to flip bearish as well. So this is interesting, chat. This is interesting. This can be a start of a potential opportunity. Watch your passive subtitles. People be watching it with a subtitle. I mean, I guess so. I speak pretty fast. Yeah, I mean, it does. It does. I think I remember that. Yeah, it does. It does pick up a starter play, but what the fuck is a starter play? The starter play. I mean, it's cool, I guess, because price starts to start up before it takes off. I don't know. Thanks, Don. I'm taking the last trades for the past 3 weeks and more focus on identifying trend and sticking to one bias. I'm looking for a setup and visualizing entries with proper trade management. Oh yeah, you had the course for 3 years. I mean, 3 weeks now. Yeah. How's it been though? Last trades, but what's the outcome of those last trades? Are they good or are they, you know, still in between? Trading 2 sessions with the same strategy will have negative result. Not really. There's nothing in the book that says that if you trade 2 sessions you will have negative results. It's just that you're more prone to take more trades, therefore you're more prone to take losses. But again, I think I'll be fine if I were to trade 2 sessions. Like if I were to really sit down for London and New York, not overtrading in both of them, I'll be good in both positions. But why I want to do that? No. Why? Because I want to trade so I have more time for myself, right? That's why we trade. So we have more time to do whatever we gotta do in a day. What else can we play here? Triple red. Nah. Let's play this, I guess. Hold on. Yo, remember we had a little listening party for Slam Language 2? Chat? Yo, we may actually get a fake out here, chat. Range 1 breakout. If you come down a break below 151.733, I may have a sell stop place for starter play coming down on a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute starter play without an actual closure, because the 1 hour candle would then be flipping bearish and high chance it will likely continue down, just being on top wick for price to drive down to the bottom of the range here. So let's lock it in. Or you know what? If you get a 1 hour closure, how big are stops? Minimum 17 pip stop on a 1 hour closure. And that's if it closes doji. If it were to close like decently bearish like this on a 1 hour time frame, just being on top wick, then stops would be 23 pips or 12 pips. So I think that starter play will make a lot more sense here. One hour starter play sell stop or 30-minute starter play sell stop as fake out plus a sell stop for a starter play at the same given time. So 2 in 1 is what you have here. The setup here is the fake out. The entry type is a starter play. Those are confused. What's the GJ? How big are stops? 17 or 14. 17 pip stop. I'll take the 17 pip stop. The current previous candle high. At 151 now, 7 is my stop. Yeah, it's fine. 151. CP is 151, 548. I heard planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you winning. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. 2,000 a minute. Cool. Cool. Move that modify. Boom boom. Cool. Ain't bad, chat. This ain't bad. Give me a second. And yo, chat, we need to break the lows because this candle can still don't try to answer early here because this candle is bullish, right? The first candle is bullish. This candle without breaking the lows could flip at any time for buys going up because it's still bullish, right? So that's why we need to really break the lows for the trade to be valid. Until we actually break those lows, there's no sells. There's no sells at all without breaking those lows. So don't try to jump in early here, get earlier entry, save yourself a couple pips, and try to cheat because you can end up fucking yourself over with the fact that this is a bullish candle. We can still flip bullish to continue up towards the next resistance at 152.035, right? Sound like a kid. 151 out, man. Cool. What did chat say? Bro, I have a sell on gold at 1797. I'm holding at the stop loss at 1802. Should I hold? Help me out, bro. What's your bias right there, brother? You want to send me a chart? Send me a chart real quick. What do you have on your chart? What are you looking for? What's your bias for a day? How'd you get the bias? How'd you get your entry in? Why is that your entry? All right, what's your stop loss? What's your TP? Show me that on the chart. I want to see that because if you can't do it for yourself, then you shouldn't be in that trade in the first place, right? So you should be able to understand and be able to identify those things before you actually take a trade. So send me that and I will for sure which one? Help you out. Bro, if 30-minute bearish candle closes below support with no bottom wick, will you be cautious since you sell? Yeah, if it closes no bottom wick, yeah, but I mean, this case, like, we can't really see how it closes. We can't just have to sell stop here off the 1 hour closure or 1 hour support. And chat, yo, even if you don't get like if we get like a 1 hour closure here above the range here, the stop is still valid because then you have a 1 hour start play instead. Because the 1 hour time frame is still range 1 breakout, right? You have a resistance here, support here, range 1. So I still have my sell placed. Yo, I had app music for like a good solid week, or sorry, 3 weeks. One thing I don't like about Apple Music is just that they don't shuffle your songs as clean on Spotify. Like they don't like cue RAM songs as clean. But other than that, both are cool. Hold on. For those that are wondering, what's better? Pop Smoke. What's that song about Pop Smoke? What's that one song? I want to play it right now. Fire chat.
check the score. We up on the board. And we all living lavish. If I want it, I'ma have it.
My niggas with it, money flow running through digits. I know niggas mad that we did it. Say it, we live it. Morals will never forget it. I ever get booked, I'm a cricket. Get it and flip it. Henny right here, I'ma sip it. You try me in shots, see a biscuit. 24 hip it. I'ma just 24 hip it. Cause bro said don't ever forget it. Gang with me. Anywhere I pop, I know the thing with me. Every nigga here with me gon' bang with me. Trey like and bro going to
It's that one song.
body dropping that shit in the thing.
Yeah.
Smoking daddies, I'm rolling a blank.
No, not this song.
Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the money to Xandaline. That's why I'm over retarded. Baby, welcome to the party. I hit the boy up and then I go skate in a Rari.
Christian Dio. What's that one song? Fuck.
Gun on my head. 1.5. Send in the clip. Baby, don't trip. Just lower your tone. You could get hit. Don't let that be in my system. I get your body. Next day I forget it. Nigga try to score the body. And this one again. Nigga.
No. Man, I don't know. I forgot what it's called. Fuck. I'll find it later. It's not that important. Why not wait for a closure? It's a start play setup. Start play. Off the 1 hour breaking the lows. Extra point start play. If you're new here, I think you might be new here. Yo, yeah. Anyone can draw over the camera. Like, if you're a paid follower, if you're a paid, of course, like if you got access to Zoom, of course, Zoom, you're allowed to like have your camera up and stuff. Yeah. I just copied a signal. I'm starting out. My TP is 1792. I mean, what's their analysis though? Do you understand their analysis? 100 pip stop loss? Or no, my bad. 40 pip stop loss? I don't know. What are you in again? A buy? Oh, you're in a sell. I mean, gold's bearish today, yeah. I mean, I'm expecting us to flip bearish as well, coming down towards like 1784, 1791, but there's just no interest for me right now. Anything I see that makes actual sense for me to enter, right? But I believe, yeah, if you get a closure below here, then you have a high chance for price to drive down towards the 1794 mark, which then take you down towards the 1791 mark. So yeah, that will likely come through if that were to happen. No, it's not Dior. No, it's not that. It's not that big of a song in his discography. Surprisingly. I swear it's in this album, Meet the World Deluxe. Oh, this song, Sweetheart, with Fabio. Sounds hard. This song. RP Pop Smoke. Bro.
What's the daddy?
Yo. Yo, chat. If we don't get a 30-minute start play, we have a 1 hour start play. So what I may do here is actually delete my sell stop, wait for the 1 hour count to close, and then place the sell stop again. Yeah, 6 minutes left in this count closure. Waiting about the start play for buys. We are bearish, but just an idea. yeah, if you get a range 2 breakout for me, right? So this is a resistance being formed now, I guess. So this might be a range 2 breakout. This is a range 1, range 2 being formed right now as we speak. So if you get a closure above here, then that's not bad at all. 1 hour wick fill going up, not bad for buys. Not bad at all. But I think for like the hourly candle buys here, I think you need a closure above here. Going back to what someone said earlier, because there's a resistance here that's being like respected pretty well. So yeah, a closure above there is what you want probably on an hourly candle. Gold's not looking bad at all. 1 hour's gonna close bearish in 5 minutes here in this range. 4 hours gonna close in about an hour. It's 8 a.m. Should be interesting. Let's go, music. Yeah, I prefer to take a sell coming down below 151.758. Today being bearish, come down for the range here. But look at this. So this is an example of why the trade is not valid until certain things happen. Because look, if you were to enter a sell here thinking that you're gonna get a starter play, you didn't get it. Price never broke the lows. Never broke the lows. Created a ball and wick as the 3-minute candle closed bullish. This is a ball and wick. Price will likely flip up now with the fact that you got a ball and wick and now we're starting to reflip. But if you jumped in earlier, right now you're being drawn down and you're like, shit, I don't know what to do. Right? Does possible get blocked? No, he doesn't. Yo, I don't know what the rights are. I don't know why Coin gets blocked. Some Drake songs do get blocked. His old album, like his views, that gets blocked. More Life gets blocked pretty easily. Yeah, I don't know. Uh-oh. Yo, what if Price decides to just drive down here before the hourly candle closes here? Bro, gold's dropping. What should I do, man? It's a signal. I don't know. Follow your sim provider, man. I don't know. You can't really ask me. I already told you what I'm looking for. Again, I'm looking for a closure blocker for sells. For it to drive down. This is your trade. You took it off of someone's signal. You followed them signals. Whatever they're telling you. I don't know what to tell you. You pay, you know. You're trying some signal. No, I guess it's their analysis. It's not mine, right? I wouldn't be in a position right now for gold. I'm waiting for a closure here in 2 minutes here. It should drop towards 1791 though. What song is this? Champions. Ice Reviso and Babyface Ray. You know rappers from Kenya? No, I don't. Are you gonna trade? No, brother, I'm not. I'm not. Might be new here too. Damn, dude, this album's such a flop. Culture 3, it was such a flop. I feel bad for Lil Tecca, man. This guy dropped his album the same day as Kanye West. Fuck. No. What's worse is that he wanted to drop it in July, I think. End of July, right? But that was the same day Kanye West had a listening party, the first one. So he's like, you know what? I'm not gonna drop it. I don't know if that was the reason or not, but he said, you know what, guys? I'm gonna delay it for a month or some shit. Delays it just to drop on the same day as Kanye. That's crazy. And he was on pace to go #1 too that week, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, but Tecca dropped an album? Yeah, he did. He dropped We Love You Tecca 2. Yeah. It didn't get all that attention, but he dropped an album. You should listen to it. It's not bad. Shout out Tyler, put him on his track. Don used to take a behind you, okay, whoa. What kind of questions are these? What was your best trade amount? Come on, chat. What was your best trade amount? My biggest trade ever? It was a runner from June? I think it was June. I think it was June, right? That runner that I had? It has to be June. I don't remember. I think it was June. One of my biggest trades. June, like first week of June, I think. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere though, for sure. Check my folders for June. Might be somewhere there. Let's listen to a drill. It's too early for a drill right now. But soon, brother, we will. Soulja Boy dropped? Really? Alright, cool. Hold on, real quick. You have a 1 hour candle closing here. Or you had the 1 hour closing here on GJ. 1 hour close there. I guess in this case, bullish above the range. So a 1 hour starter play is not bad at all. If we were to come down, break those lows there. With the 4 hour candle closing below the range, expecting this count to continue down the flip here. So I'm gonna actually place a sell stop back on my screen here for a 1 hour starter play. Again, the trade's only valid, chat, if we were to actually break the low. So be patient with it. One hour. Does that make sense? There we go. Marcos, baby. Brother. My Zoom's updating. Oh, I gotta update my Zoom too. I didn't update. I skipped the update today.
I saw that yesterday. It was a Zoom update. I skipped it. I was like, nah. Wix, nah. I know you saw the trade too.
Oracles.
I woke up at 6 and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get on the stream right on time. Close my eyes. Up at 8.
That's okay. You came on time
exactly like me.
Just for the stream, man.
Bro, it was tough. I got up mad early yesterday. I got up at like 4 and I didn't take a nap. So I went to sleep at 11, but I tried to stay up. Like, I just died.
Just died.
What time you sleep?
I went to sleep at like 11, but I woke up at 4
Did you work
Yeah,
after you got dinner yesterday when I called?
Yeah, and I tried staying up till like midnight for something, and I just knocked out.
Did you lose on anything or what?
Yeah, I lost all my money.
Damn, that's tough.
I know. How am I gonna feed my kids?
Damn, I don't tell you, man.
What kids?
Only one way.
Yo, once
To this day.
Fuck, my
Yo,
bad. Nobody. To this day.
once I was at a casino and we were playing blackjack, right? And I was just like in a mood, and I was talking to this man. I convinced this dude that I have 4 kids and that I needed this casino bet to like save my kids. And he was so convinced, and the table, you know how like blackjack like
cheering you
table
on?
hype. Yeah, table hype. The whole table was winning. We were all cheering. I just had this story. It was like a role play. It was so funny.
It's all about the vibes, man. Like, it's all about the vibes at the table. Like, when I used to go, bro, if the table entry wasn't there, you'll literally lose all your hands.
I can already see this. Marco's just playing the role of a broke dad. This is for the kids. Let's go.
I was acting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want to play this song. You guys have sus ups here? Cause we're flipping here, and we might not get it. Oh, it's so hard. Gold WTF? Yeah, man, I told you. Look, I told you, right? I'm like, you need a closure below here. What did price do here? Didn't close. Why would I want to be in a position right now where I'm guessing and predicting where price is gonna go? There's no type of confirmation showing that we're actually gonna initially push on that candle coming down here without a closure here, right? That's what I'm saying. Make sure you understand the signals that you're taking. Like, cool, their signal is cool, but make sure you actually understand what that guy or what that girl person is doing when looking at the charts. Like, what are they waiting for? Why are they answering a sell here? I understand, you know, if anything, ask them. And if they can't give you an answer for that, then I don't know what to tell you, man. I think you gotta change providers or something. I don't know. Go for just a control of excellence. Yeah, send it or send a chart in. Ask for a chart and have to send it here. Let's see. I guarantee you, man. Well, I don't want to guarantee you, but it probably looks something like this. The chart. Why is it going down? Because this arrow here means a lot. Means a lot. Tells a lot.
Go to the gold hourly.
Yeah.
I have my resistance right. Well, that's where I just drew it. But if you,
Where I have it?
no, like where I just drew it a second ago.
Oh, draw again.
I mean, not the gold hourly, GJ hourly.
Oh, GJ hourly.
Yeah, I have right there. I have my resistance. If you look at the hourly, there's a lot of play there.
Right here?
Zoom out. Yeah.
Yeah, I think left to right. Someone said earlier. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of this.
Yeah.
So if we reject there, I'll be looking for the onion.
Instead of the
On
starter
the
play.
Yeah, on the hourly there.
Hey, Don, quick question. When you say a candle breaks a low or breaks a high, does the candle itself need to close under the low, or does a wick just have to pass a low to break it? It depends. It really depends on what type of question you're asking me, because sometimes you may get a closure above the range, and you can't enter on the current initial opening because you don't have a bottom wick. So yeah, wait for the bottom wick to be formed, and if the previous candle top wick is small, you can wait for a break at a high instead. There's a lot of things that can play out.
It just depends on the formation of the setup.
Yeah.
Like how to apply it.
Yeah, there's like 1,000 of them, right? But
Because there's setups where it would make sense, but it's just you're better off waiting on a closure. You know, there's setups where like there's a lot of volume and
Like right, like this one.
and if it breaks, hey, if it breaks the lows, it should just run.
Yeah.
But then again, if you get a closure and it's close to the, like, let's say there's 3 minutes for a candle close, and you know it's not going to run within this candle, you might as well wait for a closure instead of, you know, on the break, because what if it breaks at like 8:29 or 8:28, you know?
Yeah.
And you have the next candle coming up that you're going to be concentrating on.
$8.22. What up, Andre?
Yo.
882. 82. Yo, baby Keem snapped.
Maybe who?
Baby Keem.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
This guy's snapping. With Kendrick on a song.
Sounds like one of my kids when they're complaining.
Sound.
No.
Damn.
Wah, 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 bitch, I'm a baby.
Wah, wah, wah. Bitch, I'm Lil Baby. What's the song called?
Activated?
What's the song called, chat? Fuck.
Quick sign's already activated.
Activated?
Bro, this dude got activated 8 pips ahead.
No.
They have activated?
Not in a trade.
Are you taking this quick sign or no?
If it breaks, yeah.
I even commented in the chat. I was like, make sure you account for spreads, chat. This is one of those trades where if you get activated, but like it actually didn't play out, like you might just get screwed. But
oh, well, I get activated here. Oh, not yet. Very close. Very close. It breaks that low and I'm gone. 728.
Activated.
728 is my sell stop.
I know someone got activated. Someone did. Who in the chat? Someone tell me.
What we get activated here? Price is reflipping. Here it goes. We're about to get activated. Hold on. Hold on. And we're in a position here. I'm in the sell here, chat.
Now
Sell
I'm
stop.
activated.
Stop loss is the first kind of high. Current kind of high, sorry, 15 pips. TP is down here for 17, 18 pips. So a little above a 1-to-1. Fake out plus a start play. Both in one. Goodie. Now, we need this candle to really push down, obviously, right? So we would prefer this 30-minute candle to close back into the Ranger, but let's see. You have a long hour candle left. It is the 8 a.m. opening. We caught this fake out from the morning. We stuck with the same setup. Didn't take the buys. Understood the range 1, understood the range 2s. And now we're executing on a sell position that we simply waited all morning for. And then we're still looking at the comments. Don, he's gonna buy. Close now. And if it does, it does. I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable with that. This is a trade that I've been taking all year long. All right. So if you're gonna say that, there's your answer. What do Don? What up, Dre? Okay, imagine wrist wise, we're moving pretty nicely here. If we come down to maybe tap this let's see, how's the 1530 look? I guess it's a support right here. Cool. So right here, we'll move my stop to break even at 151.667. So move stop loss to break even here. How many pips is that in profit? I didn't even check. I think it's like
4.
7.
Oh.
Oh, it'll be 6. Yeah, 6, 7.
Yeah, 6 pips.
Yeah. Let's see. The reason I'm saying there is just because like, there's a minor support level here. Support level under 15-minute time frame. So at that level is what I want to take advantage of and move my stops to break even.
Hey, gold's flying.
Yeah, might be a fake out though. Maybe. Daily is reworking that topic. Well, whoever is in that earlier, I think yo, about to smack my stop loss fire. Yeah, man. Yo, I actually want to see a chart though. Send a chart. I want to see why, like, what happened in that signal. Like, why they give it. Oh fuck, I didn't give this. Oh, I didn't give this. I didn't type this out. Pre-W, let's see. Everyone's in this, I guess? Everyone in this one? These those?
Just because I have my target at 15161, so it's just a little bit less than 1-to-1 RR for me.
But you know, if you close your eyes and draw like 2 pips below.
Yes. Honestly, the target that you have like looking left, it makes sense. If I would have seen that before, then I probably would have entered it and had the same level. But
You could still do it. You could still do it and get a better entry than us.
I was gonna say I can enter.
Wait
right
for
now,
wait for the
it'd be, like,
15 to
same.
close here. If the 15 closes back in the range, that's not bad.
Yeah, if the 15 closes back in the range, I may just take it off that.
Yeah. We should be goody here though. As long as he closes below, I want to say like 70, 151, 12, should be goody. Here's perfect.
I'll wait for top wick on this next candle.
Look at this chat. So see how the four starting to like reject there? We're anticipating this four kind of flip bearish because looking left, we closed below the range earlier. So we're expecting this wick to get filled here. This current first 4 hour cannot get wicked after you get a top wick being created here. So day's bearish as well. So everything that's trade makes sense to me. Wasn't really any flaws I've seen here. Like anything that kind of stopped me or I was hesitating on. 15 had a top wick, little top wick there. We should be good here to drive. Let's see. You ain't got any tattoos on your body? I don't got tats, bro.
What's Wick9 doing right now?
He's on the phone. Plug talk.
Smoking a joint.
It's weird seeing him in full color.
HD, baby.
We unlocked them.
We gotta lock him back up though.
Nah, wait.
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
No. Hold on. That's why I stepped away.
I didn't even know he had a body.
Just
I thought you were
just
shoulders,
a
arms,
head
and
in
a
a
head.
chair.
Yeah, head, shoulders, no.
Marcus is like, who keeps pulling up that chair?
A Floridian wearing a t-shirt? For sure. What's that guy? New sub? He doesn't know how to act anymore. Guy wearing a shirt now. Guy wearing a whole suit. What's that? Pull up tomorrow in a suit.
I will.
Nice
What
tux.
color tie? What color tie you want?
Gold.
I'm gonna do it like
Gold.
they do on the news, just the top, the shirt and boxers. I'm doing a Ron Burgundy tomorrow.
Yo, was this interview we took yesterday? No, it wasn't. This is a fake out. It was similar
I
though.
said it was a win.
I know, it was a
Yesterday was
W
a
win.
dub.
So got in a sell position here as price close 1 hour close below the range. Stop losses the current count highs for 9 pips. TP is down here for now. Don't get it twisted. The video looked clean, but the way you managed risk in this video was to the T. 16 pips there. I mean, my bad. The video is clean, but the trade itself wasn't as clean.
I think if we left our original stop when we just entered
We
that
got
trade,
hit.
yeah, it would have gotten hit.
Yep. Here. So got it was an extra like what 3 pips. We moved it up. Close our
Yeah.
1 hour close below the range. Stop losses the current count highs. Yeah. Break even. Boom. W. There's no bond wick there too, I think. Let's see. This 15 here chat close back inside the range as well. So I mean, can add some to the trade, I guess, in a good way. But other than that, I want to see how this 30 minute closes here. This 30 minute must close below 151.755.
I didn't get in on that 15. It's like a less than a pip of a top wick. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, but this 30 got it wick.
I think one time you got on a 4-hour candle that had a low wick like that. Like last week or some shit.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
A 4-hour 1 pip wick?
Yeah, the runner. I think.
No, it wasn't 1 pip wick. I
Like-
sent it to the Discord.
3.2.
Don't you rather have a closure below the range? This is a surplus setup. This is a fake out that we broke down since the morning. Plus, so that's a setup type. The fake out, right? The fake out is this range 1 breakout. This is never a range 2 breakout. So this is highly likely prone to be a fake out if we were to pop back into the range, which we did. So with the 1-hour candle coming down now, closing bullish, you would expect the next hourly candle to continue up, right? Since it closes bullish above the range. However, if price were to break the lows, then high chance it will likely come back down to the range, as this will be a fake out. So we entered a sell stop instead earlier instead of market executing. But even with that, like the 15 closed back inside the range either way. So I mean, would be fine. If you're not comfortable with it, because if you might be new here and you don't know what the starter play is, like what the fuck's the starter play? What's this guy talking about? Wait for a third man closure back inside the range. Wait for a third closure. Once the candle closes back inside this range here, then high chance price will likely continue down to fill the range. So then you can execute on yourselves coming down. But this is just the stuff that I've been, we've been taking all year long. Is go buys looking mad? Yeah, go buys for me. I believe this is a range 1 breakout for me. I'm not taking buys if price were to close above this range here. I'm waiting for a fake out to occur. So if price can pop up and then close back inside the range, I'll look for my sells coming down to fill the range.
Is your last 4-hour close bullish on GJ?
Sorry, yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. Below the range. Look at it here. Since you're on trading,
Yeah,
right? All right, traders, man.
Yeah. Domain.
Here. So this count's flipping here. It should flip to continue down towards here. Fill that wick. Look how clean it looks on a window. A 4-hour.
How did Traders Domain close?
Traders Domain last 4-hour closed bullish with a big wick on the bottom, big rejection wick. Like this one can flip bullish at any time and just drive up. That's how it closed. Like the exact opposite of what it looks like on Trading View. On yeah.
I cannot wait for Traders Domain to get on Trading View. It's just gonna be amazing.
They're never gonna get on.
Why do you think that?
I don't think Hugo's is even on this. Are they?
No, but Hugo's.
You have to be a regulated broker to get on.
Yeah.
I don't think
Trading?
Hugo's
Yeah, you
way
do.
is on the level of Traders Domain.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. So yeah, then I guess you're right.
They'll probably never be on this.
They're probably never be on there.
Well, regulated by who?
Even if they are, I probably wouldn't even look at them.
Just because the majority of the people look at other charts. Oanda.
I mean, I've been looking at Orlando charts like my whole life, right? So, like literally since I first started trading, it was always Orlando or FXTM or FXCM, what's it called? Whatever it's called.
Yeah.
So, like there's one point of me like just switching randomly.
But the way the smaller time frames are forming, like it's very bear. A lot of bearish momentum.
You are too calm today. Is that losing trade? You win when you stress. What? I have the same emotions I had for yesterday's trade. Win.
Yeah, but ain't nobody over here in the chat holding their chins up like
Oh.
yesterday. Everyone was like,
No one's gonna be like, oh my god, I'm so scared here. I'm so scared. This is the same trade that we've been taking clear all year. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out, right? But we'll manage risk though. Speaking about managing risk, this third minute is not closing about 6 minutes here. We gotta close below here. Managing risk for you guys. Again, everyone has a different option. Everyone could you can close half if the third minute closes back inside the range. I personally enter trade off the 1 hour time frame, therefore I will likely manage to trade off the 1 hour time frame. So same thing I did yesterday with Yes's GJ trade on a 1 hour. But yeah, it's a good way you can manage risk. Trust your stream. Give me a second. We're in a trade here. I'll check it out in a bit.
And this is why I love Florida. Instead of roaches, I get lizards. This is dope.
Crocodiles, man.
No, I get lizards. Crocodiles is like I gotta go to like the neighbor's yard.
Iguanas.
Yeah.
Iguanas. I'm waiting for a 30-minute closure on GJ. Yeah, I can wait for that as well. Yeah, usually with the 1 hour starter play, we'll expect to push off the rip, like off the when we break the lows coming down. It's usually a quick play. We did get some decent volume. Price they come down like a decent 4 pips, 3 pips. But obviously like we couldn't move stocks to break even or anything. Like, it was spreads and all that. There was no shot, no shot. And the reason why for those that are new here, why I have this right here, we'll move stocks to break even here, is because there's a minor support right around here. So that's where I'm likely to take advantage of. The good thing about our stop loss is that it's obviously the current 1 hour candle highs, 15-minute candle highs, 30-minute candle highs. Also, it's a 4 hour candle high as well.
There's no guessing with this stop loss. Like if we can't bring it up any higher, or there's no like, you know, I'll go to the hourly, to the half hour. This is, and if the trade runs here, we'll probably get really good runner.
You have runners for a trade, Wix?
Yeah, I got 2 positions open at 4 lots.
What's your runner to? 450? What is that
I have
range?
it to the 4 hour low, which is 470. Sorry, 480.
So around 20 pip range, 20 pip runner. Oh wait, 480.
25.
25.
25 even. 24.8. Which is also the bottom of that wick. That's the previous 4 hour wick.
Yeah, 4 hour wick fill. Yep. You are too calm. Man, same shit, different twice every day. Like Wickstein says, like that's literally, we do the same thing every day.
Same shit.
I'm not saying we win every day, but I'm saying we just follow the same plan every day, regardless of the outcome, for the whole entire year. And that's the number one statement I've been trying to make this year. Literally, you just do the same thing every day.
Regardless of, be too calm in FX.
Here's the thing: we're not wrong here. If this trade loses, we're not wrong. We're taking the same trade tomorrow.
And some might say we're delusional, but I'm
odds.
still taking the same trade tomorrow. Yeah.
We're playing the odds, and you know, over 10 times, over 10 throws of the dice, we'll win.
And if you win a trade, we're not winning. You know, if you don't win, if you win a trade, then who knows if it was a good trade or not? We just know that was a high probability trade, and that's just what we know. That's what we took. That's what we take.
To this day.
Yeah. You got 2 minutes left for a 30 closure. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, chat. Yo, chat. Appreciate you being here, by the way, to say. All 600 VS. Crazy. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys leave a like, sub to the channel. And if it's your first time here, then I hope this trade goes through for you. Currently 2-1 for September. Past 8 days. Wait, I had the wrong stop. I put my stop at the previous 1 hour high. I'm supposed to be the current 1 hour highs. My sell stop. There we go. Let me move it up there. We move it back down. There you go. This is the best song for CLB. It's probably it's the most common radio sound song, I think. I haven't been on the radio, but I'm guessing this has been on the radio, right? For sure. News, actually, you don't have news till 10 a.m., right? 10 a.m. you have interest rates for Canadian dollar. Interest rates. So I think they're keeping the same rates today for Canadian dollar here. I'm not sure how the economy's been doing. I think it's been doing pretty steady, I think. Let me check. CAD JPY. I mean, yeah, we've been doing pretty bad actually. So if they're keeping the same rates, then high chance we'll likely continue down with the rates being bearish. 30 closes in about 9 seconds here. Respecting that support. So again, managing risk. What you guys could do is you can look to close half if you want to. With price closing bearish, respecting the support still. All right. My trade is based off the hourly, so therefore I'm comfortable leaving it for the 1 hour stops, original stops. I'm gonna see how the 1 hour closes here. If it closes above, I'll close. If it closes below, I'll let it run still. But that's off the hourly, which closes in about 30 minutes. So I still got my positions here. I'm not really closing half or anything, but you guys can do so. I think last year I would have closed half, probably, maybe closed full. I think this year I got a little better with managing risk using the higher time frames. Like for example, yesterday's trade, right? Like yesterday's trade, I could have easily got out with remember the 15 closing bullish as support. I could have easily got out with the negative 4 or 5 pip stop, but we went off the hourly candle, which is the candle that we enter off of, right? And a trade play through. That's what I've been doing this year. I'm sticking to the time frame that I've been entering off of to manage risk. Yeah, you might get a 15-minute start play. Yeah, we actually close half. You guys close half? Margo? Reza?
I'm holding.
How about new?
No, I'm holding it.
It's just reminds me of yesterday. We'll see.
Marcos is
Honestly,
like,
I
fuck
wouldn't
this, I
have
got
caught this
penguin
trade on
money.
Would you say, Reza?
I wouldn't have caught this trade on my own. I didn't see it. I saw yesterday's trade. If I was trading on myself, I would have seen it.
I think yesterday's trade
I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't have seen it either.
I would not have seen this trade yet.
Really? Bar bearish, free flipping, daily bearish.
Pretty sure Marcos would have entered this.
1 hour start play. Really?
I definitely. I would enter. I didn't see it though. I was groggy.
Oh.
I woke up at 7:59 and had a sell stop at 8.
I think that's been the trend the past 2 weeks. Marcos been showing up around 8, just oh, sell stops. Okay, perfect.
I've been getting real lucky. The trades have been taking longer to formulate.
Yesterday's daily.
You guys are in drawdown. 8 pips. I'm entering.
Better entry, bro.
The only thing I was looking for today was if the daily the closure.
Don, tell a story of how you got the discipline. When how did you quit all the bad habits in your trading? When I stopped listening to others and started listening to myself, right? Looking for my setups, my sample size, not of what this guy, that guy said, right? Or whoever in the chat saying. I don't want to sound like I'm a dick, but I don't give a shit about what you gotta say, right? It's I'm still taking the same trades that I'm taking at the end of the day, win or lose. This trade, if it stops, I'm still gonna take the same trade tomorrow. It's the same stuff that I've been taking all year. There's no reason for me to change my strategy off of one losing trade, right? So that's how I became disciplined, just by literally listening and looking at my sample size, my sample my setups, and only taking those setups and nothing else. That's it. Everyone's different though, right? For me, that's the moment it clicked for me though. When I understood sample size, like I wish I learned about sample size earlier on in my career. Believe it or not, a lot of people who win trades, especially new traders, sure, to win, double looks clean, but they're random trades because they haven't had enough experience to actually replicate that trade again. They can't look for the same setup again because it might have been just like, you know, a lucky setup, or maybe they haven't seen it enough. And that's why sample sizing is so important, because you're able to understand which setups are actually likely prone to play out when comparing to other setups. Why I was 10 pips? Because I had an issue before as well with closing my positions. Like I didn't know when it closed. Like I would never close. I always adjust my TP, adjust my stop loss. So at 10 pips, like 80% of the time, I like to close half. And who knows? I might change next year. I might close full at 10 pips every time next year. Or I might not even close at 10 pips next year. This is me. If I want to do something, I'm just gonna stick to that until I figure out something else. For me right now, it's just like, I guess 10 pips and close half and runners. This is what's been working for me right now. Yeah. Cause like just imagine if like, going back to what I said earlier about like listening to others, like imagine yesterday when I took a trade yesterday, everyone like a lot of people in the chat were just against it. Like, yo, why are you taking a sell? Why are you taking a sell? To buy, is that support? This doesn't look clean. The ranges looks choppy, right? There's a lot of traffic. You should close here when you're in drawdown, right? I just listen to myself the other day, and long term that'll play out more than listening to others, because you don't know what their perspective is. They might be swing trading, they might not be swing trading, they might be, you know, scalping, whatever they're done.
Marcos, did you get a haircut?
That's the most random question ever.
Nah, just looking at him like, yo, that looks fresh.
Yeah, like
How
last
come
week.
you didn't call us and let us
Don's
know?
like deep into like the trading psychology, and I'm just looking at Marcos' haircut.
Priorities, man.
Okay, last week.
Girls like girls.
Oh, what brand Asian are you?
Jeez.
You can't even donate $2.29. You gotta start off at 10.
I gotta set a limit. Anyways, appreciate the donation, brother, sister. What brand Asian am I? I'm Vietnamese brand.
He's Louis V.
Yo, did you see Grant's comment when the stream
Louis Vuitton
opened
down.
up this morning?
Nah.
Oh my god, it was hilarious. It's almost worth me going back and copy and pasting it.
So go back and copy and paste it, because I'm too lazy to go back.
This man is so weird. He's so random.
Vuitton.
John Don. Don. I never realized I had a unique name until I was older.
Don.
Like the Don. That's such a cool name. I never liked it when I was a little kid, but I grew on it. I mean, I have no choice. Turn music up a tad bit. Better? No? You like J. Cole, right, Marcos?
J. Cole, he's alright.
Oh no, you don't like J. Cole. You like Killer Roy.
I'm not really into like serious music right now.
I know you're into
I try to listen to music to like vibe.
I
not
know
think about
you're
life.
into NFTs. We all know you're into NFTs, Marcos.
Oh no. I don't want to listen to music and have to like think about the inner workings of the universe. I just want to listen to music, chill, eat food. I don't know. While go on a drive.
I feel that. Get some Dunkin' Donuts. Get your coffee.
Yeah, you feel me? Something quick, something like a bop, something I can nod my head to. Maybe a little fist bump.
Bruh. Who tagged everyone? Again? Bruh.
Yo,
Get him out.
It started literally 2 days ago, and now it's happening every day.
It's a setting. I can turn it off. Yeah, you guys can't.
Because then you can't. Why don't you just jail them?
I jail for 5,000 hours. What's their name? What's their name?
Ruthless.
They deleted it. I'm gonna find it though. You know how? Bot logs. Let's see. At Genero. Everyone. You really at everyone for us to join your Discord server, man. Clutch as. Just. I'll do what you're after. I'm in this shirt right now. I'll do what you're after. I got you. Just remind me. What is your wrist management tool? My fingers. I trade my phone, right? So I enter positions on my phone. I manage my phone. I used to have the magical devices, but I think I ran out of batteries for them. I just never touched them again. And yeah, that's it. They're cool though. Specs, but I just don't use them. I'm better off my phone. Me, personally. This 15 starting to reflip here. 15 close bullish, starting to reflip here. Breaking the highs. Again, chat, feel free to manage risk and close half if you guys don't feel comfortable. Holding with this third minute closing, respecting the support here. So yo, who here in chat close half? Put a 1 in the chat if you close half. Put a 2 if you're holding, or just literally copying what I'm doing. Two. Damn, no one close half? Really? I'm surprised. How about yesterday though? I think getting a lot more twos. I think a lot more people are holding the trade and closing half. Okay. How about yesterday though? What did you do yesterday's trade? Because yesterday we're in some situations yesterday. Yesterday the 15 close bullish at support too. For a 30 minute close bullish at support.
I feel like that's why most people didn't close half, because yesterday played out after the drawdown.
So they're like, today's gonna play out again.
Yeah.
I don't want you guys to think like that, chat.
Every trade's individual. You gotta manage every trade on its own.
I don't want you guys to think like that, chat. But just know I'm just doing the same thing I did yesterday. Alright, so probability. Yesterday close half? Yeah. I was close to closing half yesterday out of 15, but I think the hourly or something looked very clean at the time. I was comfortable holding the 1 hour stops. What if this happens now? What if we come up, we break the current kind of highs, but we don't break the previous kind of highs, and then we flip bearish? That
You
is
get stopped out.
tough.
Yeah, that sucks.
That is tough. I will say though, if you get a 15-minute starter play here, that'll be Chabella.
I'm pretty sure that the same thing happened yesterday. Like we had the 15-minute bullish closure at support. The next 15 came up, broke previous 15-minute highs, and then flipped and seller played on the way down. This is like literally the exact same trade from yesterday.
Yeah.
Did we take it on a fake out yesterday? Or was
No. Yesterday's show was just
range break, right?
a closure below range and hourly. It was literally the cleanest setup ever yesterday.
Yeah.
On a Monday.
Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday. Yo, chat. The reason why we're saying like this 15, because look, look at the 15. What did it do? There's a resistance here. There's a support here. This is the range. Right at the bottom of the range, you close bullish. You would now expect this 15 to continue up, right? Off of the 15. But again, shit's off the hourly time frame. So hourly still makes sense here. However, it's getting close to this 4 hour closure here. Getting very close. I would have expected this 4 hour candle to flip bearish by now. By a 9 a.m. candle and then continue down, but let's see what I do. We need a 15-minute starter play. If you can come down and re-break this low, then you can say ciao bella. For those that didn't enter, that's your next opportunity maybe. for sells coming down on a breakdown. It's me at lows. If I didn't get in, I'll probably get in on the 50-minute lows. Breaking. You know when Travis gonna drop his album? What am I? Complex Music? Nah, I don't know, man. I have no clue. I think next year. He's not dropping this year. I doubt it. Unless he drops in like November or something, but I don't think so. I think he dropped the Astroworld in November, right? Or August. I think it was August actually. Maybe next year. Next year. He has a kid right now with Kylie again. They have a baby number 2 in a way.
They together or no?
again?
Yeah, they're back.
Oh.
I think they've been back for a while now, for a minute.
This man Don always has the good tea on the celebrities.
Hollywood fix.
Man, you go on my Explore page? Like,
Is that all it is?
look at this. Look at this.
Who's back together?
Like, look at this. Drake getting curved by Rihanna. Will never get old. Playboy Cardi, Kanye. Fashion. Music.
Wait, what is
fashion.
this? Why are Kim and Kanye so fat in that picture?
I don't know. It's a meme.
Plus size.
To work with Badana, and I went over her house and we were joking about the Test the Sky video, and I told her I used Pamela Anderson because I grew up on her. She helped.
Are you done?
Yes.
Yo, Kanye is ridiculous.
Well, what song is this?
Joyner Lucas.
No, G. All right. 15-minute close bullish here. No top wick. This seems very similar to yesterday. Remember yesterday's 15 closure? No top wick as well. Which is in our favor here, right? It's better than this having a top wick, especially closing below this resistance here. So chance it's a fit, obviously it's a 50-50, it's 15 going down, but if you get a 15-minute start play now, again, that's what you want for this trade to replay through. Hourly is still valid here, therefore my stops still the same. Nothing's changing here for me on this trade.
Oh, you went just normal risk? 15 pip stop?
Yeah, I went normal risk. Yeah, I went normal risk. How did let me see Yes's stream real quick. How do we manage risk here? Okay, let me know if I get near stops. So what do we do? We get into sell position, and then price pull back pretty hard. Look at that! Look how close it came to stops yesterday. And then the 15 close. Look, the 15 close bullish yesterday, and then we got a starter play. I think the 15 had no top wick or something. And then ended up playing off, obviously, but I think the 15 had no top wick as well. Hey Don, I can't close. Would you move your stops to the 30-minute highs? If the 1 hour closes bearish like this, respecting the support, I would close half. Yeah, I'll close half my positions. Just because the 4 candle would then be closing bullish. Like with us entering that trade there, just on a 4 hour time from here, we anticipate this 4 candle to really drive down here, right? But obviously with things being the way they are right now, it's not happening right now. So with the 1 hour closing bearish above its resistance, if it does close bearish above, then I'll close off the positions fully, or half at 9 a.m. Not sure yet. No, but I wouldn't move it to the high because this trade is based off of the 1 hour, right? So the current 1 hour highs is my stop loss for the start of play. Because look, now you have a range 2 breakout. If you think about it, like this is where you can change your bias, I guess. If you weren't interested in sells, yeah, support right here. Get a resistance here. This is a range 1 breakout, range 2 breakout. So bias for you would be like above here. If you get closure above 151,900 going up to fill the next range at 152,100. I was in GSL this morning. What's your bias? My bias has been the same all day. I was looking for the fake out all day. I think we drew it out.
I think we did. Yeah.
Pretty sure we did it a couple times, like right here somewhere. Right here. We drew this out. Oh, that's gold. I drew on GJ. I'm like, if you come back into the range, instead of earlier, if you come back into the range somewhere, I'll look for cells coming down. And then I explained the range 2 breakout here as well. Is it looking sweet, chat? Of course not. But will we close off emotions? No. But rolls that manage risk, I guess, in today. That would have been W. You listen to West Side Gun? I've heard a couple of the songs. I don't really listen to them like that. But I guess you can say yeah, I listen to them.
Who?
What's that gun? What's gold doing? I didn't even check. In this range here.
Yeah, just stuck.
Stuck.
4 hours unclosed. What? Doji? That's not looking too good on his forward candle here. At all. I'm surprised today though. Not a lot of people in this chat is like screaming like, yo, this trade's in his stops. It's closed now. What are you doing? Yes, it was pretty toxic with that. But today I feel like a lot of people aren't like that. Yeah, gold's well chalked, dude. I think so too, man. I think I'm not touching gold. Just look at it. GJ has life because look at the 4 hour or daily 4 hour, etc. But what range do you have here? Pardon?
The 30's gonna flip, and that'd be very nice for GJ.
Oh, 30. Okay, nice. Yeah.
I was thinking that I'm like, yo, last 10 minutes, just gonna go all the way down to 135.
I'm done. My account's gone. Damn. So we started streaming your account here. We took one trade. We're still in it. You blew your account while watching the stream, and this may be a possible win. Oh man, I don't know what to tell you, man. Hey, did you over leverage? What'd you do? Let me get a pray emoji in the chat for him. The hands together emoji in chat. Damn. Did you over leverage, over trade? What'd you do? What'd you do, man? Emotions. You took a trade and you lost, and you're like, I need to make it back. You try to make it back, you lost that as well. And I try to make that back, lost that as well.
Talk to us. Talk to us.
Is that what happened?
What's going on? We're here for you.
Because you took a loss. Like you told me you hit stops, but if you manage risks, right, with the sale that you got from that provider, it would have been fine. It's only throw leverage where you'd be shitting your pants. Mess up and turn all else on it. Damn. Yeah, take a break. Come back when you find God, like Kanye said.
You find God.
Like here.
Go find
Stop
God.
texting. Go find God. Come back after you found God. Yeah, that's just so funny.
What, he wrote that? I thought someone wrote that.
Kanye wrote that. No, Kanye wrote that. Because the guy explained to him like how he was late because he woke up late.
Yeah, I read the message, but I thought that was to Kanye.
Yeah, this was to Kanye. Kanye replied on the left side. This is iPhone, Wixland. This isn't Android here. Nah, but yeah, it's Kanye's on the left. You ever had an iPhone, Wix? I know you have an Android, right?
Nah. Yeah, I got an Android.
You look like the type to have an iPhone though. I'm surprised.
I can't.
I feel
fuck
like he's the
with
type to have an Android.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck
Just
on.
the aesthetic, the dreads, the tats.
Miami? Eh.
What does that mean?
What does that even mean though? What does that even mean though?
We're judging people based off their aesthetic and what phone they have.
What the fuck?
We're down bad.
Yeah, for real. The trick is very, you know, the trick. Remove.
What does that even mean, Kobe Bryant?
Oh, what's that? Isn't that the commercial?
Yeah, yeah. And more records.
More.
More. What was it even a commercial for?
Like,
I do got a beat up armor case. But
Yeah.
it's mad funny. But look at this shit.
Jeez.
Shit all messed up, but it's
The phone's in good condition?
It's a Galaxy. Yeah, the phone's mint. I got
should make me
100
laugh.
zoom over here. This shit's got 100
Yo.
times zoom. I zoom in, I
Yo.
can see you right now where you're sitting.
Yo, real quick.
This-
This forearm may close below this resistance here. This one right here. 151,700. You gotta close below here in this forearm candle. Got 4 minutes left. We may get it. Let's see. I just want to speak on that because there's some potential here. 15-minute didn't break the lows, right? Oof, that's tough. That is tough.
Yeah, it perfectly retested it.
Yeah, didn't break it, unfortunately.
I make a call and swore. Nigga, you can take the score. We up on the board. And we all living lavish.
And we all living lavish.
I make a call.
And we all down bad.
Yo, Don, did you wake up from the storm?
We in drawdown. Nah, when I woke up it was cloudy, it wasn't raining.
Bro, it was crazy last night.
Talk to us, Pop Smoke. Talk to us.
Yo, you're funny, Don.
Run, Ricky, run it. Blue face,
Draw down.
We in drawdown.
Oh shit, that made me laugh.
Drawdown.
Yeah.
Take profit, take profit.
Draw down.
Bro, this guy's like what? How old was Pop Smoke? Like 21? 19?
He was that young?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. This man sounds like he's 30.
Well, chat, this 15 came down, never broke the previous low. Therefore, there was no start play. So if you're looking for entries, obviously you couldn't get activated there. However, it's not looking too bright for us with the 1 hour closing bearish above its resistance. This is interesting because the 4 hours gonna close bullish, right? And I explained earlier how we need a 4 hour closing bullish minimum below this range here, because then high chance and the next one will likely reject to continue down. But since the 4 hours gonna close bullish above, you can expect the next 4 hour candle to really continue up here to fill that wick and fill the range, pushing up towards 152 100 here, like so. So that is what I'm expecting this 4 hour candle to do. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close half if the 1 hour closes above its resistance here. I'm not going to close full. I'll close half. For our closing, yes sir. What's gold doing here? Update? Yeah. It's not bad actually. You have the onion play in the 4 hour on gold. If it closes like strong bearish like this isn't bad because look at this support there, closing bearish resistance. You have a support here. It should continue down for that range.
We get a decent top wick on the next 4 hour. I might contemplate sells below 1796.86 if this hourly can close below, or maybe a seller play.
Not too shabby. Let me see the hourly real quick. Yeah, the 4 hours is definitely not bad on gold. Yeah, 32 seconds left for that 4 hour closing here. Yeah. How's the 1 hour look? Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. 7 seconds left. It's not bad. True. Unfortunately, I'm in a position on GJ already. Wickstein, this is your candle. This 1 hour candle on gold here. Last couple seconds here on a 9 AM candle closing bearish, making the 4 hour close strong bearish. That's your sell position for you that you would normally take.
Next one's gonna drop.
Yeah. And just chat, be careful of the top wick. Well, there it is, the top wick. Be careful of the top wick created here, the new 4 candle top wick. How's GG doing? Yeah, cool. GG opened up. We're in a tricky situation. Definitely tricky situation. If you don't feel comfortable with the fact that the 4 closed bullish, close the positions here, right? You obviously have a choice to do so. You have an option. I'm gonna let it run with the 1 hour candle stops. Here in this case, I'm just gonna let it run. I don't think I'm gonna close half.
The way we kind of closed on there and opened up with the top wick first.
I know 1 hour. I mean, if you look at a 1 hour, cool. If you look at a 4 hour, yeah. If you look at a daily, cool, makes sense. But yeah, chat. If you don't like the way the 4 hour looks, close the positions or close half.
Unless your 4 hour look a little different.
That 4 hour looks that 4 hour on tradesman looks like it's gonna flip bullish to continue up.
Yeah.
Cheers, the man. Gold is very clean though.
You in there? Premier, you in there?
Nah, there's some like crazy volume right now. The 15 did close below the range. The stops were 20 pips, and then my next target was like 34 pips. So the RR made sense, but like it's so easy to look at it now after prices pushed down. Like, oh, I would have entered, but like the price was like flipping back and
Came
forth.
down,
like
flipped.
Yeah. So it's like those positions. I like Don's. I don't know if it's new, but I think it's new. Waiting for like the first 15 minute of the new 4 hour. I'll wait for that, and then if I get a good entry, then I'll take it. But there's just like too much volume right now.
Get a sense of direction for the candle.
I think it's 3 months old, 4 months old. I don't think it's that new.
3 months old.
Yeah.
I saw spreads jump up to like 3 pips. So now they're back down to like 2. Oh, nope. Now they're back up to 3.
How much draw am I right now? 1 pip? 2 pips?
No.
2, 3? 3 pips and drawdown. 15 close bearish, obviously. 30 may close bearish or doji. I mean, we're like, this trade was originally answered off the 1 hour. That's the only time frame looking at this point. Gold's not bad. Gold is, the tides have turned. Gold is a lot cleaner in GJ. With
and
that,
it happened all within like the last 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Gold too. It's crazy.
Like, I'm expecting this 4 count to continue up. 152032. Don't you close half? No, I didn't. However, you guys feel free to do so. Feel free to do so. Everyone manages brush differently, right?
Oh shit. Gold's looking good.
Yeah. Came down, tap target already. A 4 hour target at 1894. Now, if you get a closure below this support here, then there's more opportunities.
Higher time frames tell the story.
Yeah, look at that daily. We're flipping, right? We broke that down all day today as well. Daily's flipping. Should continue down. Once it flips bearish, it should likely continue down towards that support to our left there. 1790 pretty easily.
Doing what GJ needs to do.
It's still kind of in that range though. It's not like confirmed break, you know?
Yo, is that guy still in the chat earlier? They got that signal for the buys or for the sells? Because now it came back down. It's now he's probably like, fuck, why'd I, you know?
I hate these guys.
I mean, we warned you. We would say how wait for our 15 close. We got that 15 closure below here, I guess, right here. And that was the initial push. Right? So there's no point of guessing in this area when you can just easily wait for it to occur.
No need for signals.
Buddy, when you start FX, what's the lot size? 0.01. Charge 2. Charge boo. Got you. Got you, bro. Got you. 1, sell-loss place. 2, sell-loss placed here. Ooh, nice. You got earlier entry in us. Close foe. 10 pips. Nice. Good stuff. Off the break of the previous doji. Interesting. Makes sense. The price rejected again. And the candle closed bearish below perfect onion play setup. Enter on a break of the lows, break even point. Oh, I can't play this. I can't play this. Break even point, nice. Yo, Wixen, I looked at Wixen because I'm on the Zoom, right? I'm on the charts. I look at Wixen's camera. This guy's doing this. You look a little stressed. I'm like, what? Did we hit stop loss or something?
Doing what?
I thought we hit stop loss because you look stressed. You're like,
no, I'm trying to go smoke. I'm debating.
5 minutes giving me some big bread. Bearish day in the previous candle close. Bearish right support. Onion play setup. Enter on the flip of the 5. Breaking in point. Yo, so how many trades you take today, MM? That's a good trade, by the way.
Funny, I've taken like myself like 4 trades in the last like month. So I can't be stressed.
Nice. Easy go trades, by the way. Real trades. Nice, man. We broke down gold this month too.
You know what I need? I need a chair with a head rest, because this chair only goes so far. That back is low. About to get me one of them airplane pillows. Just sit here with a fucking.
Don, what was your biggest swing trade? I think it was like gold. I think when gold was at 1400, held gold from 1400 to 1550 or something. That was my biggest swing trade, my last ever. Never did that again. But yeah, it was the biggest swing trade. I think it was like 1,500 pips or something on gold. I forgot.
We got the 30 celery.
Yes, good eye. Doji though, 15 bearish onion. I mean, if we really play through here with the 1 hour candle and we come down a break for our lows, then what a great management. What a great day managing this trade. What a great way of managing it.
Did anyone close half on GJ?
I didn't. Needs to break that 700 1 hour low. Yeah. We're kind of in a situation here where, like, we're stuck. I mean, we can easily exit, obviously, right? But that's not what I mean by stuck. I'm saying stuck because like for this trade to really play and be valid,